you are probably making big gains in crypto, especially if you've been here for a few months. One of the big questions is, though, what do you do with your gains? Many people have the attitude that crypto is the future, so I'll never sell. And listen, that's a great long-term attitude. You will win if you just hold. History bears that out. But for others, they look to take a bolder approach, where they reinvest their profits instead of watching them ride back to the bottom in a bear market. They want to maximize their gains. Now, if that sounds like the strategy you would like to use, then this video is for you. Let's get it. BitSwap is the hottest new way to trade tokens. Crawling all the top decentralized exchanges, BitSwap gets you the very best price and value for your trades. BitSwap is changing the game. Try it now at bitswapdex.io. Welcome to BitBoy Crypto, the largest crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Ben. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, make sure to hit that subscribe button for your chance to win an entire Bitcoin. Details down below in the video description. Now, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at the next phase of our Stonks journey. As you guys know around here, Friday is Stonks Day. And of course, keep in mind, I'm not a financial advisor, and Stonks Day videos are only based on my opinion. In the coming weeks and months, we are going to be building a killer stock portfolio as a hedge against the crypto markets in the predictable bear cycle. And you may be wondering to yourself, why in the world will we do that? Honestly, at this exact moment, I feel like stocks are a riskier play than crypto. But that's the thing about diversification. You're willing to take some risk in order to get exposure to different types of assets. There are ways that you can keep your belief in crypto in balance with exposure to the stock market. As we build a stock portfolio, we will keep a hefty share of that portfolio in crypto and blockchain stocks. So here's the thing. As we go throughout this journey every Friday and bring on special guests to talk about the stocks market, we need to choose a medium to do our investing. There are definitely some advantages to using traditional stock brokerages like Ameritrade or E-Trade, but I have a real hard time letting places like that take a portion of my money. Another option would be Robinhood, but I gotta be honest about that one too. While every stock app is pretty much selling trade data to big brokerages, Robinhood stands out in a special way of douchery. They built their entire brand of this app on the backs of smaller traders while masquerading as a for the people app. Meanwhile, they're selling all their users up the river. And then when they started getting some wins, they shut down trading. And that just pisses me off, honestly. So you ain't gonna see Robinhood on this channel. So for us, we're gonna be using WeBull. It's similar to Robinhood, but offers more robust features. If you'd like to try out WeBull, we have a link down below in the description. When you use our affiliate link, also found on bitboycrypto.com/deals, you'll receive 2 free stocks. One just for signing up, and one when you deposit $100. At the end of this video, I'll be doing a quick walkthrough on the app itself, so make sure to stay tuned all the way until the end for the WeBull tutorial. So one of the biggest advantages of WeBull is that it has 0 commission stock trades. So you can make trades for free. Of course, you probably wonder why that is. And we know it's because they're using your data for valuable research, which is something that's definitely a negative and something I hate, but it just is what it is. That's how you get the free trades. So you have to pick your poison, and we're gonna choose WeBull. It didn't start out as a brokerage, but rather as a data and analytics firm, so you can understand why they take data so seriously, and that's shown in the research aspect of this app. In fact, this is probably one of the biggest reasons why they're eventually gonna crush Robinhood. They have a much deeper side of their research, which gets passed on to their users. The WeBull platform is much more robust, with better tools allowing traders to make better trades based upon better data. How novel. The charts and technical analysis offerings are also much better than Robinhood's, allowing you to even choose different candlesticks like Heiken Ashi, which is the same candles that MarketCypher uses. I'm very interested to see, by the way, how MarketCypher works on the stock market. Definitely something I'm going to be testing out. But along with offering stocks, WeBull also has some crypto offerings if you would like to use it for that. But in my opinion, I would just suggest using WeBull for stocks and crypto sites for crypto. Crypto picks won't be a focus for our stocks videos, but crypto-centric stocks certainly will be. And what about leverage? While Robinhood makes you have an advanced membership for leverage trading in stocks, with WeBull, that is part of the free offerings. You can also use WeBull to short stocks. However, WeBull does not offer options trading right now, but that feature should be coming down the road. Now, at the end of the day, WeBull is the app that we will be using. And if you want to follow us along this journey for Stonks Day and start with a couple free stocks, make sure you sign up with the link down below in the video description. So now that we've talked about the offerings and the advantages, let's jump into the app itself for a little tutorial. Okay, so here we are on my phone. You guys can see I've got the WeBull app pulled up. So when you open the app, like I said earlier in the video, it kind of reminds me of the crypto.com app, because in the bottom middle, it's got the bull logo, the horn logo there. And that's kind of how you get to, the most important parts of the app. So just a simple walkthrough, just show you the different places. We are going to be using this app a lot in future videos on Fridays. You guys can see the very first thing is you're on the watch list page. It's marked by the watch list logo or icon on the bottom left-hand side of the screen. And whatever you want to add, all you got to do is hit add symbol, and then you can search and you can pull it up. Like if I wanted to pull up Bitcoin, there it is, BTC USD. If I wanted to pull up the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, I could do that right there as well. So that's all you got to do. You just add it, and then it's going to be added right to your home screen. There it is. Of course, you've got the different markets you can explore. You can do the United States markets. You can do the crypto markets, global markets, and it's very easy and representative there to do all that. So just very simple. Here you get into some of the analytics and the research tools that they offer here. You guys can see are better than a lot of other sites. I really like this, where you can just look at top, gainers and losers for the day. You click and look across, several different metrics and time frames. Very easy. You got best performing industries. I think that's kind of a cool feature that WeBull has. Then if you skip over the middle tab, you go over here to the community tab, this is also something that's pretty interesting, because this here is kind of a feed like Facebook or, something similar. And here I was interested scrolling down, just seeing like a lot of different things going on still about GameStop, still about AMC, and a lot of people still pushing this narrative that AMC and GameStop are going to continue going up. So just some interesting stuff to kind of help you get a pulse of what the average user on WeBull is looking at. Then, of course, you have the menu at the end. You guys can check out your free stock there on the page, set up alerts and posts. I'm not going to get too much into this. The middle is really what you're after here. This is going to show you your current portfolio. You guys can see I've got about $4,200 on here right now. We're going to be reallocating a lot of this money over the next several weeks into other stocks that we'll be discussing on the channel. Usually we're going to bring on Justin O from A Couple Cents on YouTube to discuss upcoming stocks. And, we're not just going to be looking at crypto-centric stuff. We're also going to be looking at tech stuff, like the Roblox IPO just got launched, which is pretty interesting. But here you can see your positions. You guys can see I'm a Kenworth whale. I might be a trucker. I've got Gensworth and New York Times. These are basically free stocks from affiliate links that I had. So we're going to be converting all of these over. I don't think that, trucking is probably the industry we want to be in. We love truckers. We love you if you are a trucker. But unfortunately, I believe that in the future, self-driving vehicles are going to wipe out a lot of those jobs. It's very sad. But being in trucking isn't something I want to be in right now. So we're going to be looking at other things. We may put some money into the Grayscale Trust. We may put some money into some blockchain stocks and things like that. But the middle button with the bull logo, with the horn logo, is going to show you your whole portfolio. And then, of course, this is kind of how you get into your trades and your transfers, which we'll be doing all that later on. But that's a quick walkthrough of WeBull. If you do enjoy this app, you want to download it, get the free stocks, you guys can head on over to bitboycrypto.com/deals. You can also access it down below in the video description. And I think it's going to be fun. We're going to see, how well we're able to take what we've learned in crypto and apply it to the stock market, see what the carryover is there. So pretty exciting stuff. If you want more content on stocks, make sure to put those comments down below so we know what you guys will be looking for and topics you want us to cover. That's all I got. Be blessed. BitBoy out.